She kept mentioning about this kitchen.
Good morning, guys. Another job. Fast turnaround, that's what we like. So we're here in sunny, oh, they can't even see you, Armley, for a guy that watches off YouTube. This is his second job now through YouTube, so we're very grateful. But what we are doing is Indian stone. Now, look at grade at fence, it's just going uphill constantly. So on this one, we have got from here across a sleeper. We're going to dig it into the ground, so you step onto it this side, but the far side you'll step into it because it'll go obviously into the ground. And we're going to tier them, and then on where Tom and Oliver are working now, that's going to be like a shed base where they are currently at, which is one fence panel, and then but we need it above the path for the door to open 90 degrees, because it goes into the path obviously. So that's going to be like stepped onto it, and then the bottom tier we're going to do the same pattern on that side as well. But yeah, it's just leaving it up to us and saying if you need to step onto it, if you need to step into it, he's happy either way. He just don't want any grass, so we're happy with that. But yeah, I've had 18 hours sleep. Tom's moaning at me because I'm in a good mood, but he just keeps shouting at me for being silly, being funny, you know. Anyway, let's crack on. We've only got 2 ballets, 2 shovels, so I don't know what I'm going to do for it next. I might go do a quart actually. I've got a fence to quart, so I'll catch you soon. I tell you what, while they're digging that out, I've just come in here just to quote some jobs up. Just got 2 jobs to quote, and I miss fencing. We did on his last video, we did bad access fruit cottage, and it was fencing, and I loved it. You know, like I just love fencing. I don't know what it is, and I've just quoted there 39 meters. 6 foot, double paled, so wind still passes through it. It's like called hit and miss, whatever you want to call it. I've just quoted that, and I proper want it. So I absolutely love fencing. But looking forward to this week, I've got something like 7 quotes, and I've just spoken to 2 more people. We've just gone to Palmer to tip off some soil, and I've had 2 calls. So it's picking up. I think the sun's out. People ring up, don't they? Come out. They want the gardens doing. But yeah, I think we're over winter now, which is very nice. We've had 2 months of rain. Does it separate the men from the boys like we just kept going? Who knows? We'll see. But like his next hurdle now is, for a lot of people, is self-assessment, where you've got to do it quarterly. You've got to put 5 self-assessments through. 1 every quarter, then a final one. But that one's got to match all of these ones. And if these ones don't flow evenly, they're going to come and grab you. They're going to grab you. Now, will that push people away from being self-employed, which will open the door for us to get more jobs and stuff? Who knows? Who knows? Because there's less and less cash out there. For all you guys that take cash, we don't take barely any cash, to be honest with you. And when we do, it all goes back in the system anyway. But because it helps us when we retire. But yeah, men and boys this year. It's going to tell the difference, honestly. It's going to tell the difference. But I've got a few trips coming up for you. We're going away. I'm going to take you guys with me, actually. We're going away. Can't say where we're going because it's just me and my wife. It's for her birthday. She don't want to know until we get to the airport. So I might take her to Blackpool and just go watch some planes at Blackpool Airport or whatever we're doing, you know what I mean? But no, it's going to be 40 degrees where we're going. So I might take you guys with me. And I believe the back end of this year we'll be having a trip up to Scotland, me and Tom. We were supposed to be doing it in March, but we're just too busy, both of us. He's off to Iceland in a few weeks. We're going to go climb Loch Lomond, which I've done before. Oh, Ben Lomond. I've done it before, and it's a chuffing big place. It's massive. And then, hopefully, end of year, I am going to be looking at some flats in Aberdeen and Inverness at the end of this year, I believe. So, I'm going to take you there as well. Full of adventures. And that's my pension money. Flats, income from that, never touch it till I retire, and then that's my income coming in constantly. That's how I'm working, especially with this back. What else can I do? I can hardly dig out. I'm messing about in van all the time with them. So, but yes, guys, spring has sprung. The phone is ringing. Quotes are coming. And if you're watching this and you're waiting for a quote, your quote's coming, like I say. Guys, I'll catch you in the back. Is that why it is? I could be one of them big cat things. Just put us that phone here, T, if you're standing there. Yeah, just in sun. Yeah. Don't Chris do out screens and that. They do everything in there. Dodgy Chris. Ah, yeah, plumbs, bathrooms in it, lot.
Why do it at the shop?
Yeah. Oh, you can get a discount on pipes and everything. Yeah, I do that. So this is dug out on this side. We are, like I said earlier, because of the shed, from this corner level, which will be, if you look at that, it'll be this line here, second line up, or the middle line. Cuts back here, step onto there for the shed, and then this is going to come level, and then we step onto this area. Now this area, excusez-moi, this is the height of the Indian stone, so it's running level with this fence here, so it's a 5-foot panel from this post. I don't know if you can see, red line, crap paint, red line going across. You step up, but then that sleeper will disappear behind it, so you step in, but then you step up on there. So doing it like that with this side, obviously you'd want to lay a long ways, but on the fence, bloody hell, it's sunny, right? It's like a different country around here. On the fence, it's on that angle, but then on the path, it's on that angle. So you're just going to end up with cuts all over the place. And then them lines, as you look out a window, they won't both go like that. One will shoot that way, one will shoot that way. So it's just making it good for eye. So we're going to go across ways. There's more cuts, more time, but looks right. That's what's the most important thing. What looks right. Like they say, if it looks right, it is right, because then you just don't sit there and question it. But yeah, absolutely boiling. So on that, tomorrow, sleepers in, hardcore in, get an area ready. Tom will start laying, me and Oliver will start next area, me and Oliver start the next area, me and Oliver start the next area. That's how we're going to work it. But guys, it's just been a boring, what do you say? Boring dig out. Just been a boring dig out. That's what title. So we'll see you all tomorrow for some sleepers, some hardcore, 8 o'clock sharp.